GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about GBPUSD. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have Doji. Okay, Doji. So rejection, you see? Now you see. This is rejection, okay? This candle in weekly last week rejected this resistance, and then this week as well, we have rejected the resistance. Price can't go up. It has to come down. Coming back to daily time frame. Daily, I guess nobody can stop you from touching the EMA. So price will come down, touch the EMA. That's your free money. Coming back to 4 hour, what's your entry? Entry, go and plan your own entry. I guess maybe enter or short after the pullback, okay? But if you come back to daily time frame, I think clear take profit is, if you're into short, your take profit is this EMA. It will touch the EMA, that's certain, okay? Again, go and watch my Euro USD video because GBP USD, Euro USD works the same way all the time, most of the time, okay? So I have explained in Euro USD, so go and watch it. And I guess look for shorts for the time being, okay? So I guess this coming week will be going down, okay? So too much for free. Subscribe, like, share, join my free Telegram. All the links are below the video.